Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here, a celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. And have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on!
All right, once again, thanks everybody for coming out to round number 3 here at OCMA of the Summer Sizzler Series. Thanks to Bob Hunter and LSMA Field for hosting this one.